glutes because they're really short, and that's going to cause a lot of problems for your sciatic nerve that goes on the back of your leg and or your hips and low back. So I'm going to show you a couple of different stretches you can do at home. I'll start with some more easier ones, and I'll try to show a couple more advanced ones, and I'll let you know as we go. So first off, to lengthen the hamstring, if you can find your, now, come over here maybe. So this one requires a little bit of balance, so make sure you have a chair on each side of you or something you can hang on to. And you can just get your foot up on something like this, right? And then what you would do is, like we do in the clinic here, where you bring your leg down like a drawbridge, you're just gonna put about 20% power and just try to bring your legs straight down. And hold that for 10 seconds. And then after that 10 seconds, you're gonna relax, keep your back straight, you're just gonna lean towards your leg. That will really engage that hamstring. You don't need to try to put your forehead on your shin. Hold it there, relax the leg, and then after about 5 or 6 seconds of a stretch, push down again, hold it for 10 seconds, and bring your chest forward. Make sure you breathe as you do this. Okay, do that 3 times per leg. Now, another one you could do, as long as your low back can handle this, and this one's a little modification. You can actually rest your legs on the back of like a couch or a chair or something, and you can hang like this. The wider it is, actually the easier it can be. This will start to get your hamstrings, and then once you can actually relax, then you can let your arms hang. This will start to stretch your low back. Now, what we don't want to do is just lift right out of this. You want to bend your knees, pick a direction, and you're going to roll up out of it to help protect your back. Okay? Now, for the glute muscles, the simplest one would be to find a nice comfortable chair and then get your leg up in this figure 4 position here. Okay, this by itself might be really hard, and already is going to be putting a lot of stretch on you. Keep your back straight. If you need to put a little bit of downward pressure on your knee, just a little bit to kind of get more of a stretch. If this is all you can do, just sit here and breathe through that and do that for the first few times you do this. Now once this neutral position here becomes easier, just like we did with the hamstring stretch, keep your back straight and you're going to bend at the waist and start bringing your chest towards your shin. You will really start to feel that get onto that hip area in your rump there. Again, you can hold that for 10 seconds and then go a little further. Make sure you breathe as you do this. Okay? And always do both sides. Even if only one side's tight, do both sides. Now, a more advanced stretch for the glute. This works best on a couch or maybe a padded chair. Again, this one requires a little bit of balance, so don't do this if you're having balance problems. Kind of like we do in the clinic, you're going to get your leg up. Here, come here, maybe. You're going to get your leg up into this 90-degree position, okay? And you're going to bring your other leg back like this, and then you're going to drop, and you're really going to feel the stretch on your glute at this point. Now, to engage the muscle, try to almost like you're going to lift yourself up with your leg, but just push your leg into the couch or into the cushion. Hold it for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, you're going to relax and drop that more where you're getting your shin closer to your chest. Try to keep your back straight when you do this. Okay, and then do that 3 times per side and just come on out like that. Okay, so I hope that helps. That's a couple stretches for the hamstrings and the glutes. As always, if you have any questions, just let us know.